Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. So are you excited for One UI 7 official update on Samsung S23 FE and other Samsung S23 series phone? So in this video, I will give you some details of One UI 7 official update on Samsung S23 FE and other S23 phones, even for S24 series also. Official One UI 7 has been released with Samsung S25 series, right? But you may know that Samsung S24 series has also haven't received One UI 7 official update yet. Okay, first phone to receive One UI 7 official update, it will be Samsung S24 series, right? 2 days ago, new One UI 7 build was uploaded on server for Samsung S24 series, and this is the build number. You can see the newest build for Samsung S24 series of One UI 7. So I think Samsung S24 series will receive official One UI 7 update starting from February first week. And few days ago, Samsung said this also, like they will start rolling out One UI 7 official update after launching S25 series. So S25 series has been launched, so we can expect that One UI 7 official update for Samsung S24 series will be started around February first week. Okay, so this is the details for Samsung S24 series One UI 7 official update. Now let's talk about S23 series. And guys, there is a one insider news for S23 FE or S24 FE phones for One UI 7 official update. I will tell you about that later. Guys, one day ago, Samsung also uploaded new One UI 7 build for Samsung S23 on a server, and this is the build number you can see. So One UI 7 official is almost ready, and I think from February last week we will be started receiving One UI 7 official update on Samsung Galaxy S23 series also. Alright, S23 series have to wait at least 1 month more, because first S24 series will receive One UI 7 update in 1 or 2 weeks, then S23 series will start receiving One UI 7 update. Okay, official update. Now let's talk about Samsung S23 FE and S24 FE series. So guys, few days ago we did a space on Twitter, and Tarun was the host. He shared news about like One UI 7 official update for all Samsung phones. Okay, and in that space I asked him like when will FE series will start receiving One UI 7 official update. So he said like he have insider news or insider leaks from a developer or from Samsung only. Like he said that the FE series will start receiving One UI 7 official update after like March first week or March second week. Okay, not in February. I was expecting on February. It's okay, guys. We can wait 1 or 2 weeks more, right? But the update must be good. So, all right. So, guys, this was the One UI 7 official update schedule. We can say news for Samsung S23 series, Samsung S24 series, and Samsung FE series. Okay, S24 FE, S23 FE, and S21 FE. The FE series will receive on March 1st or first or in second week, and S23 series will maybe receive One UI 7 official update on February last week, and Samsung S24 series will start receiving One UI 7 official update on February first week from I think February 7. All right, and guys, S21 and S22 series will also may receive One UI 7 update on March, I think on mid March or April first week. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And if you have a Samsung phones, do subscribe to my channel, guys. I will upload a latest news about One UI 7 updates. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye.